Welcome to GHTV. Today we are going to the beach to catch the sunset.
Yeah.
It's gonna be chill and aesthetic and pretty. So stay tuned to watch it.
Here we got Megan in the back seat. Megan the stallion. We got Gabby driving. Haley delivered. We made it to Dana Point.
Indeed we did.
We drive into your sushi. You see the ocean? It's a bit cloudy, but you know.
I'm praying for the miracle to go away.
Yeah, we still got time. The sun doesn't set till like almost 8 and it's 5. Okay, we got the goods. Here we got the sushi. We're taking it to the beach to eat it on the beach because we're just like that.
Y'all know we just like that.
What are you gonna say?
I'm very hungry and I'm very excited.
Okay, we're currently making the long trek to the ocean.
Yeah.
We just walked down all these stairs. Now we gotta go there and walk down a hill. So yeah. Miso soup. She got some sushi. We're about to eat. Alright you guys, so now I'm just waiting for the sun to set.
Tell them about the part where you forgot your phone.
So I'll tell y'all this, cause why not? I did actually forget my phone in the car. Yeah, I forgot my phone. I mean, it's no biggie, you know? But, you know, it's a sense, phones are a sense of entertainment, you know? You're bored, you just go check your phone a little bit, this, that, carry on with your day. So I don't have that. All I have is this camera. So, what are we doing now?
Yeah, we're not here.
Oh yeah, I got these two. My bad, forgot about y'all.
Who are you recording? The people walking?
Oh, I can't see who I'm recording. Oh yeah. So, after we eat, we totally chill out.
Hey yo, the holes in the socks.
My dog got a little hungies.
Holes in her. Look at the holes in her socks.
My dog got hungies. You can't go much farther till you.
You're breathing. You can't.
No. Holy shit. Whoa, holy. Yeah, that's what you do when you're at the ocean.
You touch it.
Go touch it. That looks so cinematic.
What?
That was crazy. That looked like a movie. Look how big these houses are, you guys.
Oh my god, the bird got your food.
Get that!
Megan, get it.
He totally just took my food.
Get it.
Megan, do something!
Water.
Do something!
Megan.
Do something!
Megan.
Do something, Megan! Megan, please! Okay, Haley stepped up. What do you have to say about him doing that? Haley Jo? What do you have to say about him doing that to your trash?
Just make sure you gotta pick up your trash before the birds get it.
Yeah.
And then call a friend who's close.
Yeah.
My friend didn't know what to do though.
She did absolutely nothing if you see the footage. He's still roaming around the community. So we're done at the beach. There wasn't really a sunset, which is like sad because it's very overcast if you can't tell. We did get this little peak of sun, which is quite pretty. So that's all we got, but it's okay. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
We upload every Monday, so tune in every Monday for a new video. Bye. Bye.